In this video, I will show with you how to cancel waiting for payment order in G2A. So all you have to do, log in your account and then go to this option dashboard. So from the dashboard, guys, you will see different options. You see account here. You will see orders and something like this, order history. Go to order history, guys, and then from the order history, you will see this option, waiting for payment. So guys, all you have to do is just click cancel this option. You will see cancel order. In this case, guys, just click cancel this option and then you will order be cancel for payment. And make sure this is your state, guys, order state waiting for payment, and don't pay and just click cancel order. This is how you can do, guys. It is simple and easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give a like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video. So as you can see here, my case, this order was cancelled without any problem, and see you on another video. So keep watching.